Hi, I'm Kelly Shepard, and this is my website that I've built for my husband's business, Shepard Logistics, LLC. I'd like to show you around my website. So this is the main page. This is the logo that we developed together with the links to the other two pages here. And then you go in the footer, and it shows the categories, the archives, and the metadata. So you can either go to the menu, of course, or to the other link, and it works. Here is the About Us page. We've kind of gone through a few different changes with the site because of different business changes that we've made. So that's why it says there are no openings at this present time. Thanks for checking, even though we were going to have, but that's okay. Here is my category page with the owner, the roads, the trucking. You can go to the different categories. You can see I didn't do massive web changes, and this is my store that I put together with where I was selling my cards. And you can add it to the cart with the coupon where you can get a try it now, and you can get a lovely 25% off. So that kind of helps the price. Anyway, the most difficult thing that I had while I was setting up my page, just because my husband wanted it very, very, very simple, and hence the simplicity of the design. The hardest part was following along with all the little details that I'm sure I've forgotten most of them by now with the videos of all the different ways you have to get in to fix it. I'm hoping that we have opportunity to look at the other videos, just go back and review them as necessary because of how many there were and how kind of confusing it got sometimes. But it was a great class, and I learned to enjoy working with the WordPress and learning from it and learning about how it all connects and how to make it specialized. Anyway, thanks so much for viewing my site, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.